Okay, so we're going to do a little groundwater simulation. It says dig deep into the ground. You'll probably find groundwater. It fills the smallest spaces between bits of sediment and rock. It's almost everywhere, flowing beneath your feet under your home, cities, farms, deserts. We probably drink groundwater every day, at least most of us do, right? It's just filtered through local water company. Um, so why is it there? How do we tap it? Well, let's go next and see what's going on here. As we move over to the right, okay, you could see this is through the looking glass. So we can kind of just see how here's the pore space and we can see how the water rises up. Now, what would cause the water to rise up? Some kind of new water coming into the ground, right, causes the water level to rise up. So what would that be? Well, let's see what happens when it rains. So after it rains, right, water comes down and it infiltrates into the ground. As it comes in there, you can see that the water table rises up and the groundwater flows overwards, and then the stream flow increases, and then more evaporation happens, and then it comes back down. So we're seeing a mixture of both the gravity coming down, and then sunlight causes evaporation, which causes water to come back up, and then the water cycle continues. So how do we get to this water level right here? Well, you have to use a well. So how does a well work? Let's take a look at this. We have the well being drilled into the ground right over here. And what happens when you turn on the pump? So the well is located beneath the water table, and that's good. That's how we want it to work. Will not work otherwise. Now, as it turns on the pump, it pulls up this water, and what's called a cone of depression fills underneath, because you're going to suck up the nearest amount of water, and then as this water level comes down, this water table, the gravity will start moving it downward, and then all of this water will start trickling downward into here.